using the toilet. Okay, yun ako kay Daddy. Kailan?
Here's your burger steak.
Burger steak.
Mommy, what is your biggest mistake?
Beefsteak? Beefsteak. Beefsteak with rice?
Beef steak.
2 pieces, please. Just pasta.
Ano order mo? Let me see.
My biggest beefsteak.
Show.
2 pieces. Beefsteak.
How you?
It's devour. Devour. What is this? Coke?
I don't know. Pepsi
Where's
diet.
my straw?
Diet Pepsi.
My straw, Kailan. Oh, it's this one. The toilet are busy.
The toilet is busy.
Busy. Thank you, Lord, for that. Tikman natin. Always favorite ang burger steak. Ito. Oh, shucks.
Good?
Mushroom.
Do it the same taste as the Philippines burger steak? Come on,
Eat it yet.
eat it.
What room you cannot occupy in the
Mushroom.
forest? Mushroom.
Sarap?
Harap ka lang. Ay, bugit. Yummy. Ah, my childhood food. Ay, tulog.
What happened to you?
Nothing.
It's spicy.
No.
Yes. It's spicy. They're getting red.
Ay, spicy.
Man.
Peach mango pie.
Gusto ko ng ube.
Wala na.
Wala silang ube.
I want the ube.
May holiday minsan. May sila ko. I am the world famous Jolly Crispy Chicken.
Sinisino ka na. Ano kang drink?
Dance along with me.
Ano kang drink?
Jolly Crispy. Hot?
It's hot, right?
No.
Yes, it is.
No, it's spelled.
The feeling is
Hindi mo ako
hot.
tinira.
It's not hot anymore.
Yeah, meron pa yan.
Okay.
Hindi ko inubos.
Ito wala. Bili mo ako niyan.
Ano ba yan?
Nubos mo na eh. Wala mo ka eh.
Tagal mo eh.
Kala ko ba sharing is caring? Sabi ko, magpalit.
Sharing is scary.
Sharing is caring.
Ano ito?
Galit-galit muna.
Sarap. Mga elemento, high school ako. Order ako kasama yung mga classmate ko. Order ko, Jolly Hotdog ito.
Let's not Jolly Hotdog here.
French fries. Grabe, ang dami ko in-order. Tsaka
I
sundae.
think they have Aloha here.
Mura pa nun, 29 pesos lang. Ngayon, magkano na? Burger steak.
You're saving the balat glass.
Uy, tama na yan. Wala na.
Kinuha mo pa yung chicken ko eh. Mommy cannot be disturbed.
Namnamin ang sarap ng burger steak. Ilang burger ka?
Yes.
Red meat yun. Panalo.
Ha?
Panalo.
Panalo?
At mabuwas ka.
5 mabuhay lunch? How about you? How many stars for your chicken? 5?
5.
5 out of 5. Sarap.
Yan, konti na lang po yung tao. Medyo wala ng tao. Mamayang konti, madami na naman pag dinner, right? Kasi 4 o'clock pa lang dito ng hapon. So, later, madami na naman tao.
Yan, ang daming pick up oh. Ayun oh.
Ay,
Uber. Ayun oh.
madami.
Ito yung Uber ko. Ito ito. Kasi nag-order na sila, pipick upin nila. Mas maganda pa yun.
Do you see that?
Can I taste your burger?
No!
Yes.
Daddy,
No, that's mine. Up.
Can you hop it up? Up? Masyado malaki.
Pagrabo.
Ayun, no?
Basta lang Jolly hotdog.
Burger, oh.
Lagi palabo.
Hindi pa po nasiyahan. Ito pa magpalabo. Ayan.
Lola, anong gusto?
Mamaya na si Lola.
Ha?
Mamaya na.
No, ay. The smallest one or Mindan, Hawaii, Singapore. For you, for the dog. One before. Marami sila overall. Wala silang ube sa ano pa, summer.
Ayan, hindi pa po na siya. Na-order pa daw siyang palabok. Quiet daw.
Hello.